Show me in the Quran where it identifies to you what verses from the Bible you can use.
Yes. Chapter 5, verse 17.
Chapter 5,
Verse 17.
yeah. O children of Israel, worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord. Okay,
can we
now
find
one
it?
second. Now show me a verse in the Bible where Jesus says, worship Allah. So show me in the Bible where Jesus said, worship Allah.
Where are you going?
He's running.
The Arabic Bible, in the book of Genesis, chapter 1, it says, فِي الْبِدْءِ خَلَقَ اللَّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ, which means in the beginning, Allah created the heavens and the earth. The name for God in Arabic Bible is Allah. Similarly, Jesus also attested this in the Gospel of Mark chapter 12, verses 29 to 32, where he said, اسمع يا إسرائيل الرب إلهنا رب واحد قلت لأنه الله واحد وليس آخر سواه.